Hey, Midwest Picker here. My name is Dave. Welcome to my channel. We got a lot of new subscribers, so I want to kind of do a quick intro. My name's Dave, full-time nurse, full-time husband, father, part-time YouTube content creator, part-time reseller, mostly eBay, little Macari. I make these videos to help people new to reselling, not just eBay. I know that's in the title of my videos, eBay for beginners, but really any reselling platform, I'm here to help. If you have any questions, please put them down in the comment section below this video. You can email me. My email's down below. And if you want to connect with me on Instagram, check out my eBay store, anything like that, just go to MidwestPicker.com. This is Joey. This is Enoch, my life coach. So this is a sourcing video, so let's jump in the car. Turn the radio off. All right, Midwest Picker here. We are going to an indoor flea market today. Little Midwest is behind the camera. Say hello.
Hello.
And she's going to be my camera person. It's a busy day. We got to go to the post office. Got to get gas. Got to get snacks for me, but not Little Midwest. No, we'll get snacks for Little Midwest. Then we have to go to North Kent Connect, which is a charitable organization for displaced women, single moms. We've got bags and bags of linens and clothes we're going to donate there. We have to empty out the car so then we can go to the indoor flea market, which I have a feeling it's going to be insane because it's the one and only flea market in West Michigan, and it's the first this year. So I'm really excited to go, but if there's a line to get in and it's madness, we're just going to turn around and leave. We ain't got time for that. So hopefully we get to go to the flea market and we get some video, and I do a sourcing video when we get home back to the eBay office. I don't know if that's going to happen. And then lastly, we have to go see Cousin Carson. You might have seen him in the live chat. Carson Buskard, he's been in my chat before. He's just finished buying a house. So he's giving me a he's giving me a bunch of moving boxes because he just moved. So we got to get all these moving boxes from Cousin Carson, and then we're going to come home. So it's going to be a crazy busy day, but it's going to be fun. Maybe Delaney will find an 80-year-old boyfriend.
No.
She says no. We'll have to see. So right now we're going to the post office, the ATM, the snack bar, at the gas station, and then we'll be hitting the road. All right, we dropped off the goods at the donation center. And now we're going to, a little early, not there. We're going to the indoor flea market, the 4 Mile Show Place. It's either going to be insane or not insane. Here we go. It doesn't look too bad. That guy parked in the snow. Is that Joe Biden in the window? That's Donald Trump. Oh yeah, I guess you could park that way. Well, it doesn't look bad. I guess we'll park and go in. Sweet. Get our mask. I thought it would be worse than this. I thought there'd be people lined up out in the street. Last time we came here, we couldn't even get a parking spot. Do you remember that? We had to park way over at another business, so here we go. The show place. Vera Bradley. Genuine Vera Bradley. Oh, this is gorgeous. Look at that planter. Uranium planter. Oh, that's real nice.
No.
Oh,
Watermelon.
that sucks. I did that one time I was at a restaurant, got something caught, it was like 15 minutes for it was out. Sucks. Oh, I know, but... A lot of that stuff over there is just a buck or two if you're interested in anything, let me know. Not all.
Lawn darts for wimps.
I like it though, but I'm scared of werewolves. That makes me scared.
I like tools. All of it for 40 bucks.
How are we doing?
Hello.
Did you guys buy out a collection of salt and pepper?
No.
I have my mom's collection, and I keep threatening Gary I'm selling. He says no. Okay, but I want to get rid of them.
No, I don't want to do it.
What?
Salt and pepper is not going to get them.
Oh, yeah.
That's cool.
You don't think these will work? He's very particular. But look, it's got this cool green. No. So 60. A lot of them are vintage fabric, like this is vintage fabric. Or I want the fabric store.
What's that?
That's Thrifts.
I guess.
Are you interested in the lamp?
I'm covering up the camera. All right, we just left the flea market. Got a nice piece of Fenton glass that I'm going to show you when we get back to the eBay office. It's a uranium glass 6-sided custard green planter. I've never seen one like it before. So the lady said that she was getting rid of all of her inventory. She's 75, she's retiring. You'll see it in the video. Very expensive items. Everything she had is very high-end good stuff, not junk. Little Midwest got a loaf of banana bread. Actually, we all got the banana bread. So that's one good thing about flea markets. You can get some really good food. So we got a loaf of banana bread that has cheesecake swirl through the middle of it. So now we're going to head to Cousin Carson's house, pick up some boxes, and I think that's it. And then we're going to head home. All right, so that was the video. I had to run out to the car to get my purchase. So the flea market was pretty awesome. The problem is 99% of the vendors and sellers there are pickers and flippers and antique booth owners. They know exactly what they have. The prices were very high. Hard to find anything to flip. So we just went there just to have fun. And I did find this item here. You may have seen this in the video. This is a Fenton planter, 6-sided, footed, custard green uranium glass. This thing is gorgeous. I checked it over really well. It has no damage at all. It's very nice. I don't know if that shows up, but it says Fenton there in the bottom. So I've never seen a planter like this by Fenton before with this kind of glass or anything. So I'm going to put some comparables up here on the screen. There's an asking price here, pretty good. And then there's a sold one that's just like this. I'll put that up here too. She had a price of $40 on this. I asked her if she would take $35. She said sure. Very nice lady. She said she's 75. Her husband said she has to downsize her collection. She's never sold at a flea market or an antique store or anything. She just took her whole collection and brought it there. So you saw in the earlier video, everything she has is very nice, very high end. Everything was expensive. Everything was Murano glass, Fenton. The company that made the Hummels, there was that frieze of the woman's face. That was $145. That was in the video, but that was pretty awesome. Nice lamps. She had a lot of good stuff. So I focused on this and I went back and I bought it. So we had a good time. I didn't really buy anything to flip or to resell. This Fenton planter is a keeper. If I didn't already mention that, I'm going to keep that for my collection. And then about a week ago, I got a private message from Dominic, the primetime treasure hunter. He said he's going to send me something in the mail. He didn't say what it was or why he was sending it. Well, it arrived today, so we're going to do an unboxing of Primetime. So here's the box. It's kind of light, but it's big, and I have no clue what this is. So I'm going to get out the Midwest picker. We're going to cut it open and see what this is. Any ideas, Joey? Enoch already knows what it is because he has that crystal necklace, and he can detect the frequencies of the material coming out of this box. So he promised not to tell me what this is, but he already knows what it is because he can just tell. But we're gonna cut this open here. It's hard to show the box. I have to hold it in front of my face. I'm very excited because I have no aha. So it says tag your it. So I have to read this. Read inside, it says. All right. There's a lot of paper. It's got a card inside. Let's see here. Oh, yeah, I know what this is. This has to do with Nana Tink. Well, there's some blank paper. Okay, notes. All right, so it looks like I'm in a long list of resellers. I'm not going to read the whole thing. It says Tony 2, 2-in-1 doll. So if you don't know, go to Nana Tink's Treasures. Her name is Trish. She talked about this on her YouTube channel, and it looks like I'm the next in line. So this is from Dominic. It's got this long explanation, which I'm not going to read because it'll take too long. But I think the point is I'm supposed to send this on to the next reseller. Yeah, it's got cards in here. from other resellers. Nana Tink. Flippin Hustlers. Lucky Lady Luck Junk. Danica. All kinds of stuff. So I'm going to have to read this and see what the rules are. I'm not sure. I think this is a fundraiser. Yeah, Adventures with Victoria was actually Todd the Flippin' Hustler was the first. Victoria Adventures with Victoria was second. Lady Luck Junk was third. Nana was fourth. It looks like Just Kim, Beth picking Georgia Peaches, and then Dominic. So it looks like I'm the next in line. So I'm going to have to read the rules and then do my part and send it on to somebody else. All right, so I'm going to read this real quick. The selection has been made out of thousands of YouTube resellers and those that follow the YouTube reseller community. You have been chosen. Once upon a time, an uneventful purchase was made somewhere in Minnesota.
20 minutes later.
Now pass her on. Let's see how far she goes and where or when this will end. Well, nobody really knows. All right, so lots of stickers and cards and thank you notes. I'm going to add my Midwest picker. I have a card and a refrigerator magnet I'll throw in there. And then tag you're it. All right, let's see what she looks like. That's what it looks like here. There's a doll. I think Dominic put that on there. There we go, Tony 2 doll. It's pretty light. I'm sure this goes first class. Oh, what is this? And I have no idea why this is in here. Instant snow. Well, that's all craziness. I'm going to have to figure that out, go back to Trish's video and rewatch it. Pretty sure I'm supposed to sign the letter, put some Midwest Picker merchandise in there, and send it off to another random person. I have lots of addresses. I keep all the reseller addresses when I mail something to somebody or I get something from somebody. So I think I have somebody in mind who I'm going to send that to. So this is a different video. It's kind of a sourcing video, kind of a bragging video that I got this beautiful Fenton piece here. I think Tim from over the years would like this. It's very, very nice. I checked it over really well. There's no chips, no cracks, no damage. It looks like the day it was made. It is just gorgeous. I just love this thing. Nice and heavy too. Wow, it's strong. Never seen one like it before. So that's the video, guys. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Please hit that subscribe button and the bell icon. If you're new here, put any comments down below. And if you know anybody that would find this video interesting, hit the share button and share it with anybody. So excited to do my first flea market of 2021. I have cabin fever. I'm not really sourcing a whole lot because we're downsizing, but it was fun to get out and see what's out there. No last words from Joey. So that's it, guys. We'll see you next time.